Game, 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 game! Gawa naman tayo ng Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo, okay? Start tayo ng garlic. Onion. Chicken. Tapos lagyan nyo na ng salt and powder, white pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, saka chicken powder, okay? Tapos lagyan nyo na ng parsley, Italian parsley, saka yung curly parsley, okay? Tapos cream. Habang naghihintay tayo, gumawa muna tayo ng garlic bread. Okay. Tapos lagay mo na yung ng spinach. There you have it. Chicken Alfredo sa spinach and then garlic bread. Thank you. Bye-bye.